Hello beauties and welcome back to the Bumpy Bones Locksport channel. Now congratulations Sandman on getting 5,000 subscribers. That is absolutely amazing and an awesome milestone for you. I love your channel, I love your videos, and I have learned a lot through you. So thank you very much for all the work that you do. So this is my video entry for your 5K giveaway, and you wanted us to record a video of us picking open a lock. And I've been wanting to make this video for a while, so I figured this would be a perfect time for me to make this video. So I'm not going to just pick one lock open. I am going to pick 6 American Lock 1100 series open, and I'm going to time myself. I've been wanting to do this video for a while now, and I am confident enough to be able to do this, which is an awesome feeling. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to use top of the keyway tension with my ball lock tool 1.2 millimeter tension wrench, and I'm going to use my Sparrow's monkey paw. This is the .015 width one deep hook. So let's go ahead and get started. Now my practice time's been around 3 minutes with these, so with recording, let's see what happens. So let's start on the left and move right. Getting some nice clicks. All right, nice false set. There's my spool pin. So we got one. For some reason, I am oversetting pins like crazy today. All right, nice false set there. Where's my spool pin? All right, so there's two. Three. Four. Talons on this lock is a bit weird. Four. Actually, that was number 5. All right, got a nice false set here. And 6. So 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Awesome. Alright, well I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Again, congratulations Sandman, 5,000 subscribers. That is an awesome milestone. So I hope everybody liked the video. Do feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I try to read all the comments and reply to all the comments. And I hope everybody has a beautiful day, and I will see you all later.